Hello, I'm Tylah Tully and today I'm joined by TG Metals CEO David Selfe. Dave, thanks for being here today.
Thank you, Tylah.
So, gold in soil results have more than doubled the strike of gold mineralisation at your Van Uden project. Talk us through the latest.
Yeah, sure. So we got these new soil results and they were based off some historical soil sampling that was done by previous owners, but they only did it for lithium. So we went back and re-assayed them for gold. It covers the entire tenement area, so it was great coverage. But what it also threw up was the continuation of the Van Uden mineralised shear, both to the north and south of our current resource. And these are presenting some great targets for us. So now we're looking at a 6.5 kilometre strike length now, rather than the 2.5 kilometres, which is currently defined by the resource.
And as we've discussed before, there's historical drilling results at Van Uden, but now you believe that this was poorly tested. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, sure. So all the drilling outside of the resource, a lot of that was RAB drilling. It was done only to blade refusal, so very short holes as well, only about 40 metres depth. And some of it were vertical as well. It seemed to miss entirely the shear. They're quite wide spaced. Our task now is to go back and redo those areas with RC drilling, targeting the actual Van Uden shear. We've got a great handle on that now with our soil sampling results that we've got back.
So preparations for drilling are now complete. What do you have planned at the project and what will you test?
Yeah, so we've got 3 phases of drilling really that we've got in the works. One of them we have POW approval for already. That's the drilling at the base of the Tasman pit, and what that will do is move all those resources into the measured category, and it will also get that area ready for near-term mining as well. And then we've got the resource extensional drilling. The POW has been in that works for a while now, and we're expecting that to get granted shortly. Once that is granted, then we can get on the ground with a larger rig and start drilling the extensions to the existing resource. And then following on from that, we've got also a POW in the works for Gold Cities, which is the prospect to the 20 kilometres to the south. And then we'll be able to get in there and drill some holes as well. So we've got a lot of drilling coming up, and that should keep us busy for the next few months.
Definitely sounds very busy. Finally, with all the recent activity in the Forrestania belt, what do you see as the key factors that make TG Metals undervalued compared to others in the region?
Yeah, so in the region, we've got the only resource which is pit constrained. So we've done it to hopefully to the new JORC code, which is coming out at the end of this year. And so we're the largest resource that's actually pit constrained. The others are open in all directions outside of pit shell. And also we've got granted mining leases. We've got a haul road already built, and so I think access to a quicker startup, we're probably most advanced of all those in the belt that aren't already in production, and that's the main reason why we're undervalued. I think the latest transactions have been around about $100 per ounce, and with the recent increases in the gold price, it's likely to increase as well. And we also don't get a lot of credence for our lithium project as well in Burmeister. It's still worth something, and lithium, it looks like it might be on the recovery, so certainly the value in that is not reflected in our share price as well at the moment.
Well, thanks for your time today.
Thank you, Tylah.
For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.